Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I bake this chin chin in the oven. So what you need is pumpkin, but this is optional. So the reason why I'm adding pumpkin is because I want the chin chin to be a little bit colorish and then let it have flavor as well. So if you don't have pumpkin, you shouldn't add pumpkin, or if you don't want to add pumpkin, it's fine. So once I'm done peeling this pumpkin, I'm going to wash it and then put them on the sieve and then put them in the pot, let it boil until it is very soft. So once I put them in the pot, next I'm going to start mixing my flour. So as you can see, I'm adding flour in the bowl now. And then next, I'm going to add my cinnamon powder for flavor and nutmeg. When I add my nutmeg, next, I'm going to add sugar and then I'm going to mix it up together properly. So once I'm done doing that, next, I'm going to put my pumpkin in a bowl and then mash it up together nicely. So once I'm done mashing this pumpkin, next I'm going to add it on the dry floor and mix it up together properly. So when you are adding the pumpkin, don't add water because pumpkin is full of water. Mix it up and then if water is needed, you start adding water bit by bit. So guys, I added fresh milk, but if you don't have fresh milk, it's okay to use water. It's the same thing, okay? So next, I'm just going to mix it up properly until the white flour is properly mixed up together. So once I'm done mixing up like this, I'm going to wrap it around and then leave it in the fridge. If you don't want to leave it in the fridge, you can just leave it in a bowl like this for 45 minutes. Next, I'm going to get my baking tray ready and then I'll start cutting the dough bit by bit in the smaller sizes like this and then put them in the tray. So guys, I do this method whenever I feel lazy to fry chin chin, but this method is good because there's no oil on the chin chin, so less fat. So once I'm done doing this like this, it takes time. I'll just put them in the oven and let it bake. I reduce the oven heat and then that is it. Your baked chin chin is ready. Look at how beautiful the color is. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to leave your comment, like and share. And if you try doing this method, please let me know in the comment section. See you all on my next one. Bye.